Welcome to Mobo CRM for Odoo, a powerful mobile application designed to help you manage your CRM activities anytime, anywhere. With Mobo CRM, you can easily manage leads, track opportunities, create quotations, monitor customer interactions, and stay connected with your team, all from your mobile device. Download the Mobo CRM app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and open it. Enter your Odoo server URL. Next, select your database from the list and tap Next. Then, enter your username and password to sign in. Once you're signed in, you'll be connected to your CRM data and ready to begin. The dashboard provides instant access to key metrics such as total leads, opportunities, expected revenue, and win ratios, helping you stay informed about your sales performance at a glance. To organize your sales process more effectively, you can create a new stage directly from the Opportunity Pipeline view. Simply open the pipeline, tap Add Stage, enter the stage name, and save it. The new stage will immediately appear in your pipeline, allowing you to track opportunities according to your unique sales workflow. Mobo CRM for Odoo provides multiple viewing options to help you manage opportunities more effectively. The Kanban view provides a visual representation of opportunities organized by sales stages. The List view displays opportunities in a structured format for quick access and efficient data management. The Calendar view helps you schedule and monitor activities and follow-ups by date. The Graph view offers visual insights into sales performance and trends. The Activity view allows you to track tasks, meetings, and customer interactions in one place. Switch between these views to manage opportunities, monitor activities, and gain valuable insights into your sales pipeline. Use the search bar to quickly find opportunities by entering keywords such as the opportunity name, customer name, or other relevant details. The Group By feature helps you organize opportunities by criteria such as stage, salesperson, sales team, customer, expected revenue, or probability, making it easier to analyze and manage your sales pipeline. To quickly find relevant opportunities, Mobo CRM provides advanced filtering options. You can filter records based on opportunity status, assigned users, open opportunities, creation date, and sales stages. To create a new opportunity, tap the Create button and select the customer. Enter the opportunity title, then provide important details such as the expected revenue and priority level. Once all the required information has been entered, save the opportunity to add it to your sales pipeline. To update an opportunity, select it from the pipeline to open its details. Tap the Edit button, make the necessary changes, and save your updates. The Messages section provides a complete history of communications, updates, and activities related to the opportunity. From here, you can view activity logs, system notifications, and team discussions. You can also create a new activity by selecting an activity type, assigning it to a user, and choosing a scheduled date. Once all the required information has been entered, tap Create Activity to schedule the activity and keep your follow-ups on track. Refresh the pipeline page to see all updated opportunity details and recent changes. Navigate to the Leads section to view all incoming leads in a structured list. Each lead displays key information. To find a specific lead, use the Search feature. Select a lead to view its details. You can access the Messages section, which provides a complete history of communications, updates, and activities related to the lead. To modify the lead information, tap the Edit button, make the necessary changes, and save your updates. To create a new lead, tap the Create button and enter the required information. Once all the necessary details have been entered, tap the Create Lead button to save the lead. The newly created lead is now displayed in the Leads list, where you can view and manage its details, allowing you to view and manage quotations in the way that best suits your workflow. To find a specific quotation, use the search feature. Select a quotation from the list to open it and view its complete details. Here, you can review important information such as the customer, quotation date, products, quantities, pricing, and quotation status. To share the quotation with the customer, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Send Email. To create an invoice from the quotation, tap the three-dot menu and select Create Invoice. The invoice will be generated automatically based on the quotation details. Review the invoice information, then tap Confirm and Post to validate and finalize the invoice. To view invoices associated with the quotation, tap the three-dot menu and select View Invoices. In Calendar View, you can see all scheduled activities organized by date. Simply select a date to view the activities planned for that day. To find a specific customer, use the search feature. Select a customer to view detailed information, including contact details, addresses, and related records. To modify the customer information, tap the Edit button, make the necessary changes, and save your updates. You can access the Messages section, which provides a complete history of communications, updates, and activities related to the customer. To create a new customer, tap the Create button and enter the customer's name along with the required information. Once all the necessary details have been entered, tap the Create Customer button to save the customer. The newly created customer is now displayed in the customer list. Navigate to the Activities section. Here, you can view all activities and easily filter them by overdue, today, or upcoming. Select an activity to view its complete details, including the deadline, assigned user, activity type, and current status. Mobo CRM for Odoo supports multi-company management. Tap the company selector at the top of the screen and choose the company you want to work with. Once selected, the app will switch to that company and display its corresponding CRM data. Navigate to the Configuration section. Open the Settings section to manage your preferences, account settings, security options, and support resources. Open the Chat section to view and participate in team conversations. You can browse channels, track unread messages, and stay connected with your team. Open the Mail Activities section to view and manage activities across different records. You can quickly see total, today's, overdue, and planned activities, and select a category to view detailed information. To switch accounts, open the Switch Accounts section and select the account you want to use. You can also tap Add Account to add another account by entering your login credentials. Once added, you can easily switch between accounts without signing out. Tap Logout to sign out of your Mobo CRM account securely. From leads to invoices, Mobo CRM streamlines your entire sales pipeline. Download the app today and stay connected to your customers anywhere.